Hi. Thanks for watching my video. Today, I want to give you 5 tips for visiting Las Vegas. 5 tips that will make your trip easier and cheaper. The price of the hotels does not include the resort fees. When booking online, please note that when you arrive at the hotel you will be charged about $45 to $50 per room per night. This fee is the one that gives you access to the pool, gym, Wi-Fi, etc. Don't book a hotel on the Strip. There are better options. Unless you want to spend a lot of money, it's not a good idea to book a hotel on the Strip. There are good options very close, at half price. Book your hotel a 10-minute walk from the Strip and save $100 per night. Don't go to Las Vegas in July and August unless you don't want to leave hotels. In July and August, it is very hot in Las Vegas. It is over 40 degrees Celsius every day. With this temperature you can't be on the street, so unless you want to be inside the hotel all day, it's best to travel any other month. What do you think of the video? Do you find it useful? Subscribe to watch the videos I upload weekly. Hotels do not clean your room daily. Only when you ask for it. No one will enter your room unless you ask for it. When you check in, you can ask for the room to be cleaned. If not, you can ask the hotel staff for cleaning whenever you want. Beware of taxi drivers, some charge higher fares than they should. With most taxi drivers you will have no problems, but with some you have to be alert. At the exit of the airport, next to where the taxis are taken, there is a price list where you can see the price of the taxi to your hotel. It must cost you the same to return. Thanks for watching the video, leave a comment. Thanks.